Welcome to Grammar Lessons with Garnet Education.
We use there is and there are to talk about things for the first time. Let's imagine a zoo. We use there is when there is one thing.
There is a car park.
After there is, we use it.
There is a cafe. It sells ice cream.
We use there are for more than one thing.
There are lots of animals.
After there are, we use they.
There are lots of visitors. They love the zoo.
We use there's no and there aren't any to make negatives.
There's no rain today. There aren't any clouds in the sky.
To make yes-no questions, we use is there a and are there any?
Is there a gift shop?
Yes, there is.
Are there any bears?
Yes, there are 4 bears.
Are there any monkeys?
Yes. Oh. No, there aren't.
Thanks for watching.